Welcome to our school.
Fight with friends.
Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Emily. Of course, I'm fine. But there was a problem today. Look at this. No!
What's happened?
Stop it! They had a fight. Oh, why? We didn't get it. They are good friends. But why?
The reason why.
What were they doing before fighting?
Let's play tag.
Great! Let's do it!
I'll be it first.
Okay, count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come.
Here I am.
I'll catch you.
Whoa! Yay!
Got you.
Aw! Ouch!
Oh no! Are you okay?
You pushed me hard.
No, no, no! I just touched.
No! You pushed me hard.
Kate, wait! Wait, Kate, please.
What?
Listen to me. I didn't push you. I just touched you.
No! You pushed me hard. Like this.
Oh, that's mean.
No! I hate you.
We are not friends anymore.
What should we do?
I understand the reason. What should we do? Let's ask Ms. Mia for advice. Ms. Mia, excuse me.
What's wrong?
Michael and Kate had a fight.
Oh, why? They are good friends.
That's right. But they had a fight. And they said, we are not friends anymore. And we are worried.
You want them to be friends again, right?
Yes.
I understand. I'll talk to them.
Thank you.
Be friends again. Hi, how are you?
I'm not feeling good.
Oh dear. Michael, how about you?
I feel bad.
Oh, you too? Okay. Tell me what happened.
Michael pushed me. and I fell down.
Got you!
Aw! Ouch! And it hurt a lot.
Oh no, that's sad. Michael, do you have anything to say?
Kate's story is wrong. I didn't push her. I just touched her. But then Kate pushed me. No! That's mean! So we ended up fighting.
So, you are not friends now?
No!
We're
not friends now.
Not friends? Is that okay? Never talk again? Never jump rope together again? Never read books together again? Are you okay with that? Kate, is that okay?
I don't like that. Because actually, Michael is my best friend.
Oh, Kate!
Michael, how about you?
I want to play with Kate again.
Yeah. What should you have done when Kate fell?
I should have said sorry. Got you!
Aw! Ouch!
Oh no! Are you okay? I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm okay.
Are you okay?
Don't worry. I'm fine now.
That's a relief.
Kate, how about you? What should you have done?
I should have talked with Michael.
Listen to me. I didn't push you. I just touched you.
You think you only touched me,
Yes, that's right.
but it hurt a lot for me.
Oh, really?
Yes. So be gentle next time.
Got it. I'm sorry.
Thank you. We are friends forever.
We are friends.
If you don't want to fight with friends or family, what should you do? What should you do? Say sorry. If you make someone feel bad, say sorry right away. Talk. Let's talk things out instead of fighting. No punching. These will help you in your life. Please share how many friends do you have in the comments below as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
See you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.